How to quit games on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can quit games on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's say that you open a certain game over here, and whenever you open a certain game, what do you normally do to close? If the game has an option to exit, of course you select that, but if the game doesn't have an option to exit, you normally just press the PS button to come to our home screen. But this is only minimizing the game and not really quitting it, because if you open that game, it is going to resume right from that page. So how do you go ahead and then basically actually completely close or quit that game? For that, just hover the selection over it and make sure to hit the options button in your controller. When you hit the options button, here you'll find the option called close application. You can just make sure to select the close application option, click on OK, and the game will get successfully quit. This way you'll be able to quit games on your PS4. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.